Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with her summer wig that she's going to attempt to wear. I bought this wig here. I'm going to put it on so you guys can see it. It's a model Protectify style clean cap lace. So this is something I wanted to wear for the fair. And this is how it looks. Alright, it's a nice long bob, so hopefully it comes out really nice. I got it in a nice mauve red color. Oops, I guess it'll come up. Can you see it? I don't think so. It's a nice highlight of red, I want to say. But anyways, it's safe for up to 400-degree curling irons, and it's styled by Casper OM99J. It's spring, so it's time to change it up a little bit. And I wanted to see if this bob, you know, it's gonna get really hot down here, would do the trick. And I wanted to capture this on video, so that's why you guys get to see it too. It is so darn pretty. Look at that. Can you see the red? Yeah, you can see it now. I like that hint of mauve, not red, mauve, yeah. Yeah, let me put it. Alright. So definitely, I'm loving the color. It has 1, 2, 3. It has 3 clips, and it has the band in the back, so you can tighten it up if you have a very small head. And I got a humongous head, so that is something I do not touch because my head is humongous, right? And this is really pretty. I love the color. So I'm going to attempt to put this on camera, which is going to be pretty different. I'll be using the camera as my mirror. See how this goes. Oh, y'all can't tell me nothing. Yeah, this is going to be really nice. Let me see. So this is what I'll be wearing for the spring, for the fair, for when I go to, yeah, this is for Easter Sunday as well. So, you guys, I really love this bob. So, I think this bob cost me less than $20 from either hairsister.com or wigsister.com. But it's really nice. I'll hopefully could get you all of the information, and I'll have it in the description bar. But it's beautiful. Let me see if I can show you the back. Alright. I'll show you the other side. Alright, and there you guys go. And this is my new unit. And again, I'll see if I could put all of the information down below, just in case you wanted to see it. But this is beautiful. I love it. I really do. I'm excited. So there you guys go. Just wanted to show you guys my new wig for the spring, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'll be wearing it more often than the other units since it's getting really hot. Alright, you guys, continue on being a blessing to others, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye.